Right, so I'm going to be taking my Rise 360 project and I'm going to be exporting it to GitHub. In order to export my Rise 360 project to GitHub, I'm going to start by publishing it to the web, waiting for it to export. It'll export into the folder that I want it to go into, so I'm going to save. I have my zip file and I'm going to just extract my files here. It will create a new folder called content, which I'm going to click on and rename to scope creep in projects. I'm just going to highlight everything and copy it for later. So I'm done in Articulate 360 and I'm going to go into GitHub. I am already signed in, so if you aren't, you're going to have to do that step. But I'm going to create a new repository, call it Scope Creep in Projects 2. I'm going to name this test, and I'm going to make sure that it is public and it has a README file, and I'm going to create my repository here. It'll take a second, but then you'll be taken back to your home page where you'll then go ahead and upload files. And this is where that folder you created earlier will come into play. You'll click on it, highlight all the files, and drag them over to GitHub. I will make sure that all 27 of those files are uploaded appropriately before I scroll down to the bottom, where I will name this upload and commit my changes to the main branch. It'll process my files, it'll take a second. So once it does, you'll see a list of items here in your repository. And from here, you'll want to go into settings, to pages, to this branch section, and update select branch from none to main, and then click save. From here, you can go back to your home page if you'd like. Once you're back to the home page, it will give you some information about your project, what languages you've written it in. You didn't actually write it, but this is all the coding language that goes into making your project work. Eventually, you'll see an environments page. It'll replace the languages, and this is where your GitHub's page will come up in just a second. Usually doesn't take very long. Depending on how often you refresh, you'll see it go from queue to in progress, and then you should see active. You'll click active, and then you can view deployment. You can see your project here. Alternatively, you can go back into your settings. If you stayed there, you are at your pages. You'll see your website URL here, and you can just visit site same way.